In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile theme in Steam. Customizing your Steam profile is a great way to make your account stand out, especially if you want your friends or other players to see a unique look when they visit your page. Steam includes several built-in profile themes like Summer, Midnight, Steel, and more, and switching between them only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the settings. So if you've been wondering how to change your Steam profile theme, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam loads, look toward the top right corner of the window. You will see your profile name displayed there. Go ahead and click on your profile name. When you click it, a small menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this menu, click on the option that says View My Profile. This will take you directly to your public Steam profile page where you can see how your account looks to other users. Once your profile page opens, look for the Edit Profile button. This is usually located on the right side of the profile page. Click on Edit Profile to open the full profile customization settings. Inside the Edit Profile section, you'll notice a menu on the left side with multiple categories for customizing different parts of your Steam profile. These options include things like your avatar, profile background, mini profile, featured badges, and more. In this menu, find and click on the option labeled Theme. This section controls the overall visual theme used on your profile. After clicking Theme, you'll see a list of available profile themes that you can choose from. Steam may offer themes such as Summer, Midnight, Steel, or other themes depending on what is currently available on the platform or what you have unlocked. Simply click on the theme you want to use. As you select different themes, you'll see how each one changes the style and colors of your Steam profile. This lets you quickly preview the look before applying it. Once you've chosen the theme you like the most, scroll down slightly and click the Save button to apply the change. Steam will immediately update your profile with the new theme, and anyone who visits your profile will now see the updated design. And that's all there is to it. That's how you change your profile theme in Steam quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Steam tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.